Okay, so just to run through the pound for this alert at 9:30, just to give you an idea of what I'm thinking, how I'm going to trade it. If the price is still about where it is, what I suspect will probably happen is that we might get a little bit of a creep up before the alert, and then I'm expecting to get a spike up from that manufacturing PMI. So what I'm going to look to do is we're still looking to be bearish on the sentiment in the pound at the moment. So I'm going to be looking to trade it down to 16,000. I think it's probably going to happen a lot quicker than what we expect. We've got Mark Carney speaking today as well. So either or, but I think we're still going to end up at that same price down at 16,000. I think we're going to see it probably consolidate there for a little bit. And then obviously we've got the Scottish referendum vote coming out on the 18th. So it's either going to break through on that price, depending on the outcome, or it's going to start to rally back up. But for this immediate alert at 9:30 today, I'm going to look for it to rally up to this pivot point on the alert. So I'm not going to get in before the alert. I'm going to wait for it to take place. If the data comes out better than expected, then we'll get a rally. I'm going to look for a spike into that 16150 level. If we get a huge green candle and it carries on going, then I'm just going to wait for that candle to start to stall, and once it starts to stall, then I'm going to jump into it. Okay, it could be anywhere between this price and the R1 level. Okay, that's the one scenario. The other scenario is it doesn't really move very much, and we just continue drifting sideways until we get the next drop down. If that's the case, then obviously I'm not going to be taking a trade on that. Okay, so that's basically what I'm going to be looking for. So hopefully, if you keep that in mind when you come up to this alert at 9:30, then you should be able to grab some pips out of it.